right from the beginning, I support Chinese, take sort of what's the host of famous world game, because China is the most populated nation, an ancient nation. Therefore, it is really deserved for the Chinese people to make host of Olympic Games. Yeah. Now, till today, in spite of recent unfortunate event in Tibet, my position no change. In fact, after some trouble in London as well as Paris, I sent a message to Tibetan in San Francisco area, please don't make any violent sort of activities. Of course, the expression of their feeling is up to them. Nobody have sort of right to say, shut up. It is individual right. Isn't it? Actually, one cause of problem inside Tibet is because there's no freedom of speech. That's the source of problem. Therefore, we deliberately committed promotion of democracy, freedom of speech, freedom of thought. So among Tibetans, there are people who directly criticize me. We welcome them. It's their right to criticize. I have no right to say, shut up. Meanwhile, should be non-violent way. Firstly, we are not anti-Chinese. And also, we determined Tibet remain within the People's Republic of China, so that as far as material development is concerned, we get greater benefit.